Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to upload resume in Glassdoor. First, search for glassdoor.com and open it. Sign up for an account. You can use Gmail if you want. After signing up, there will be some questions like this. Select your job status, put your desired job title. Next, the location of your job. Now, click on Next. Next, you have to enter your first name and last name. Here, select your industry on which you want to do your job. After all of that, click on Done. Now we're on the final page. Here you have to click on the jobs at the top. Now look for a job that you want to apply for and click on it. Here you can see the details if you scroll down. Now click on Easy Apply. Here you have to put your contact information. After that, input your resume. And there will be some questions after this. You have to answer it in detail. After that, you can review your application and then click on Submit your application, and that's it.